Attention. The Lost and Unclaimed Baggage Center is located on level 1. Bags may only be claimed by showing a receipt to the spaceport baggage attendant during regular operating hours. Thank you.
Attention, please. All droids leaving the system must be cleared by customs control. Proof of ownership is required for all droid passengers.
Proof of ownership? We droids are made to suffer such indignities.
Someone packed a lot of hair dryers.
Attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado, y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Takeoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers have been deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
This one is Peter we're looking for. Blast them!
battle is brewing, and we can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Normally, I would gladly have said this.
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look onto a platform! Let's land there! Oh, thanks the maker.
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe.
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.